Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Happy Tuesday. How's everyone doing today? We got a lot of news to go through. We got some rumors. We got some confirmed sources. We got our chai latte. We got our little Debbie cake. Let's see what Bitcoin and what crypto is going to do today. All right. How's everyone doing today? Happy Tuesday. Clint said, is this McScrooge Tree channel? It just popped up on my phone. Is that like the only channel you're subscribed to? McScrooge Tree. That sounds like a total Ohio dad subscription. You would pay for a membership for that guy too. All he does is talks about like how to trim trees and stuff. You would eat that shit up. That's like Scotty Kilmer, but for trees. I gotta do my, the spoon lick is becoming a staple of the channel. Usually I don't bring the spoon with me. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm slacking. Anyways, let's get into some crypto stuff, guys. We got our daily close contest coming up in an hour and 4 minutes. Let's look at Bitcoin. Today, we do have our liquidation heat map is properly working. Let's go to symbol. Hopefully I didn't speak too soon. And 12 hour. Hey, we're good to go. All right. So above us, we got 96,361. That's a big one up there. 96,361. Look at them. They think they're sneaky too. And then below us, we got a little bitty baby one. 95,026. 95,026. Let me zoom in a little more. And there we go. There we go. Okay. So those are our liquidation points for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still riding this trend line that was formerly resistance. Now it is support. We'll see what happens. It's got, let's see, there's some kind of something happening here with the spike, the dip, spike, dip, spike, dip, spike. Is it going to do this? Is it going to complete the Batman pattern? Because that is the Batman symbol right there. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Hopefully it's a fake out and it just goes. That's what I would like to see. But Bitcoin dominance. I was expecting a reversal here. We got a little baby bump. But that's about it. Maybe it'll come back down for a double bottom. But for now, Bitcoin's kind of just chopping sideways. We got big news on Sol just now. I don't want to skip over ETH. ETH is doing its thing. It's still following the pattern for some reason. Total 3. Almost new all-time high. Very nice. Total 3 is literally like days away from a new all-time high. The all-time high is 1.13 trillion. It's about to break that. It's at 1.08. Who would have thunk? Sol. Let me just go to the article, actually. Grayscale filed for a Solana ETF today. Grayscale files with SEC for spot Solana ETF. Grayscale joins rivals 21 Shares, Canary Capital, Van Eck, and Bitwise in filing for a Solana ETF in the U.S. Look at this lady. Digital asset manager, Grayscale Investments, has filed with the United States SEC to launch a spot Solana exchange-traded fund. If approved, the Grayscale Solana Trust, under the ticker GSOL, would trade on the New York Stock Exchange according to a 19B4 filing with the SEC on December 3rd. If approved, the ETF would be a conversion of the existing Grayscale Solana Trust into spot ETF, the same as how Grayscale converted its spot Bitcoin and Ethereum trusts into ETFs. According to the filing, the trust is the world's largest Solana investment fund by assets under management as of the date of this filing, holding roughly $134.2 million in assets under management. Grayscale has noted Solana it holds represents around 0.1% of all SOL in circulation. The custodian for Grayscale's spot Solana ETF would be Coinbase Custody, while BNY Mellon Asset Servicing, a division of the Bank of New York Mellon, is expected to be the administrator and transfer agent of the trust, the filing stated. So basically, a bunch of boring mumbo jumbo. Bottom line is, people are filing for spot SOL ETFs. That is the one. Is it going to get approved? I don't know. We'll see. But SOL is pumping off that news. I think people are... This may be wick is because people realize that other places have already filed. So it's a bit of a nothing burger until something gets approved, I would say. It's still bullish for the altcoin market overall, though. ADA getting a little bit of a recovery. Looks nice. SNEK got real close to a penny last night. I was sweating, man. This was getting spicy. Like, I don't know what to talk about with SNEK. There's rumors. I'll talk about the SNEK rumors in a little bit. XRP, kind of just chilling up here, honestly. I think everyone's expecting a big pullback out of XRP, and it might not happen. Polkadot got a decent run up yesterday. Kind of chilling right now. SUI. Look at this, guys. I will hold for applause. You guys clap as long as you like. I'll wait. Are you kidding me? You can't make this stuff up. Like, I'm trying not to be a narcissist about it, but I mean, come on. Crypto Clo said, yo. Hope everyone had a great day. I hope you had a great day too, Crypto Clo. Thank you for joining. I also hope that you smash the like button on your way in. Tishu said, missed the Tron pump. We'll check out Tron in a minute. Clint said, is this talk about an XRP stablecoin launch and nothing burger? I don't think so. The RLUSD, there's news articles about it happening in New York, actually approved for in New York, which to me is a big win because New York is super strict. But we'll see if it happens. Creepy Sheepy said, Wagwan Bossy. Master Trollius said, good evening. Good evening, Master Trollius, guys. Don't forget to smash the like button on your way in. I appreciate you guys for joining me. Happy Tuesday. I, once again, kind of accidentally called this move on SUI. I drew this on the chart. I don't know if it was yesterday or the day before, but it might have been a week ago. I don't remember. Somebody asked me about SUI. When's SUI going to go again? And I said, if this bounces with conviction off of this area, which it did, then I said, okay, then you've solidified your bullish div, and it's probably going to chop sideways and go up. And that's exactly what happened. I'm blowing my own mind with these fractals. I'm going to call them fractals because that's pretty much what they are. The fractal Farquad is undefeated. We got C also kind of getting a little bullish. H bar still can't stop. This looks like a big flag to me, but we'll see how it plays out in the long term. As of right now, there's news of SUI working with the federal government. It's also one of the American-based blockchains that's getting the pump off of that American blockchain news with the new administration getting ready to enter office. Caspa, I said the other day I was opening a long in Caspa. I got totally wrecked. I closed it at a loss of like a couple percent. And then it proceeded to go. The most disappointing trades in the world on Caspa the past week. It's become a point where I've rage quit Caspa, which means now it's probably gonna go crazy. It's probably gonna do this, just to mess with me. But I refuse to trade it. I've entered butthurt territory. Caspa has upset me, and I don't want to trade it anymore. So I'm pouting in my room now. Avalanche has been very, very good to me. I haven't made any trades on this, but I did say once it broke, it's probably going to break upwards out of this triangle, and then it's going to go crazy, and it did exactly that. And I guess it didn't go crazy, but 12% on Avalanche is pretty good. I said the same thing about Chainlink. Chainlink last night, most of yesterday, 25%. It was up 40% at one point. I was freaking out. I was like, whoa, Chainlink did the thing. Look at that volume. Look at that RSI. You got the bullish and bearish div pushing it into a wedge, an ascending wedge. And when these ascending wedges, these bearish patterns break bullish, they break bullish like with a vengeance. This setup, the bears are like, haha, easy short. And then the bulls are like, and then it goes, bam. And the bears get liquidated. And it's hilarious. So, Chainlink looks amazing. Doge broke out of its little... I'm just going to delete this. This is not a good triangle. I was fully expecting 50-cent Doge. I still am. But it's kind of just doing its thing. It's probably going to do the same exact thing that it did back here. It's going to go like this, and then 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 this. And then it's going to do it again. It's probably going to keep doing that same thing until it finally pops to the upside. But like I've said a million times, Doge is like the household name, the people's meme coin. Everybody knows Doge. Tishu, hold on. Crypto Close said, was the first like, brother. Appreciate you. Master Trolley said, good evening. Tishu said, so sad. I sold Tron long ago when an exchange communicated that they would delist it. Literally sold the bottom. That happens, man. It's okay. It happens to the best of us. Rise Gaming said, any meme coins you recommend right now that might go up? Creepy Sheepy said, I love the ad libs. Okay. Any meme coins I recommend right now that might go up? Let's actually go look. Let's go look. I mean, it looks like Sol meme coins are doing really good based on the Sol ETF news. I would definitely look at the top performers. My recommendation right now, because so many meme coins have popped up really hard, would be Cardano meme coins. Give me one sec, guys. There's a car alarm going off. Okay, never mind. It's my neighbors. Fucking idiots. Okay. Index, we just did Caspa TA. I'll go back and do it for you though. But I would look at Cardano meme coins because there's a lot of news around Cardano meme coins right now. And there's a rumor. I'm going to talk about the rumor now. There is a rumor that SNEK and Hosky are going to be listed on a tier 1 exchange this week. In the last 7 days, SNEK is up 90% and Hosky's up 575%. Other meme coins I would look at, Sugar for sure. Baby SNEK is another big one. Chad is a really big one that just blew up. Nike's a big one. Charl, I don't think is going to be on here, but Charl is a big one. SHARL. Danzo is a big one. Chips is a new one. But definitely look into the Cardano meme coins because they're starting to kick off. Be careful, though. Just be careful. The Cardano meme coin ecosystem is in its infancy. If you're not getting into the ones that I just named. Also, Fren, F-R-E-N, is another big one on Cardano. Those are the ones that we know are like legitimate projects. The rest of them, treat them like Sol meme coins. Some of them are good. Some of them could be rugs. So you gotta exercise caution. Lunk broke out. I said the same thing that I said about AVAX with this. I said it's gonna break out bullish and it's gonna break out bullish with a vengeance. I opened up a trade back here like an idiot, and then I closed it like an idiot, and then it popped up, retested, and blew up. So if I would have kept my trade open and just been patient, it was low enough leverage, I would have made 120% by now because I had a 4x trade open on it. But here's a lesson in patience here for you guys. There's always a lesson in patience. Polygon-matic pole broke bullish out of its triangle. If you would have traded this breakout, even just the retest, that breakout retest right there, right here, would have been perfect entry. Up 22% right now. Near's got this bearish and bullish div. It keeps going. I'm waiting for it to pop. So it's been accumulating like up and to the side. I'm waiting for it to do a hard run up, which could be any time now. It might come back down and retest this at some point even. But I mean, the RSI looks really good on the 4-hour. Chili's has been like, it's entering the parabola. It's doing this. It is entering the parabola. Right here. When it goes boop, and then it starts to go straight up, it's getting to that point. So definitely keep an eye on Chili's. MicroStrategy today, chilling out a little more. Maybe a potential head and shoulders setup now. If Bitcoin gets super bearish, I would keep an eye out on this. Not financial advice. Be careful, guys. DXY looks very similar to MicroStrategy, actually. Is that weird? Silver. Does silver move? I swear we've been looking at the same silver chart for like a year. NASDAQ, another casual all-time high for the NASDAQ. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. S&P, again, another casual all-time high for the S&P. Recoupled with the AS Fractal, looking good. My final day for the AS Fractal is January 30th, 2025. So we'll see if that matches up. The trajectory has remained the same. And it probably correlates with the M2 money supply. Bitcoin dominance coming back down. If it breaks through this low, we could see some alts run even more. Let me check chat again. Let's see. Okay, let's go do Caspa TA again really quick. Caspa, I was talking about Caspa because I opened up a trade on it and I was butthurt. Caspa had the bearish div pushing into the bullish div and the triangle breakout, and it broke out. I opened up a trade right here, and then it went boop, boop, and I got mad and I closed my trade at a loss, and I've entered butthurt territory now where I refuse to trade Caspa until it does something fun, because I've entered that I've entered the butthurt zone where I'm now emotional. Caspa has betrayed me. So there you have it. Yeah, your nice breakout. I guess technically if you just measure this dinky little flagpole, that could be your breakout target, which has been fulfilled. That actually would have been great to know. That's why you can't impulse trades either, guys. Don't impulse trades. Let me go back to the chat. Oh, boy. Okay, let's see. Master Trollia said, big things happening on Danzo. I just don't think people realize the devs just partnered with Sugar, whose team is now partnered with SNEKs, and Danzo also partnered with Ergo using RS-Erg. I have a SNEKy, and I am very pleased at the return. I was a Goofy Gopher holder, and I missed my window to take my funds, which is the dumbest thing in the world. You know who doesn't do that? SNEKs. I can just let it accumulate, and I can take it out whenever I want. And it's earning quite a bit of money. I'm also excited. I just read the thing where we're getting Sugar for Christmas, which is sick. So, guys, Master Trollius has some good ADA intel. Danzo, Sugar, and if you're in the NFT market, SNEKs. Or just SNEK. Tishu said, Tron, huge pump right now. Shake my head, literally going to the moon. Master Trollius said, RS-Erg bring functionality to bridging other blockchains directly to the MemeFi platform. Nice. Waterfly said, sold some Rary. Very nice, Waterfly. Master Trollius said, directly to Cardano. Now, SNEKy's owners will also get Sugar rewards. Yep, that's what I was just talking about. For staking and mining their SNEKy CNFTs. I'm giving you the alpha on Danzo here. Tishu said, still mooning. And then Master Trollius said, SNEKy CNFT floor going higher and higher. And then Index said, Caspa is masturbator. All right, let's go look at Tron. Why is Tron mooning? Whoa! Oh my God! Has Tron flipped everything in the top 10 too? Holy crap! How are they still way down there? Okay, so Tron has some catching up to do. Interesting. They did flip Avalanche though. I see. That's why I'm looking for a big violent move out of Avalanche. It doesn't make sense for Avalanche to be all the way down there. You know what I mean? Master Trollia said, LOL, Huda? What da? What da? What am I hearing? It sounds like people are shooting. Shooting guns outside. Is that my bird? My bird's going crazy too. Can you guys hear that? Ridiculous. Master Trollia said, I don't even own any Tron. And that candle formation made my dinger move a little. Yeah, that's pretty crazy. So what I'm guessing is that this, boop, 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 whoop, this right here is what Cardano's doing. It's in its boop, boop, boop phase right now, and it's about to go whoop. I'm just kidding. That'd be cool, though. But yeah, let's get back to Tron. Tron, do they have news or something? Or are they just catching up? People finally, like, coming back. I think what's happening right now with all of these different ecosystems popping off, I think people that were in crypto, that were like, F crypto, I hate it, it's a scam, and left during the bear market, are seeing stuff pick up steam, and then they're like, crap, I was wrong, I need to rebuy my bags. And then they go and close their 401k that they opened up, and they put it into crypto. I think that's what's happening. Totally speculating. I also can't believe this H-bar business. So, what if ADA? I don't know. It looks like it's getting ready to pop like that, doesn't it? Like H-bar did this little thingy, and then it went bam. And then ADA is doing this little thingy, and then it goes bam. I'm really grasping at straws here. I mean, it does look similar, though. There's like an accumulation situation down here, an upwards accumulation thing. XRP did it. I love this formation on XRP. I mean, I will say, we did call this. I called this. Past that, like, $2 point, though. This is all new. A whole new world. Let's go back to Bitcoin. See, this inverse head and shoulders formation right here is what I saw in Bitcoin, too. Problem is, Bitcoin's not doing what Cardano did, which is a testament to Bitcoin dominance. Coming down. Let's see, is that going to break? I think it's going to break that low. Are we going to lose 55? Or is it just going to go down and touch 55 and wick off of it? Let's see. John M said we can always hear the bird. Really? For real? Hoff said Clint. Is Clint in here? Clint's not in here. Who are you talking to? Or maybe way up there, I guess. Master Trollia said, I don't want anything to moon until after I have my money in January. Everyone stop everything just for me right now. Waterfly said, I'm glad I'm losing hearing. I can't hear a bird. Okay. Tishu said, even B&B is doing good. Master Trollia said, shut it all down until I get my federal fiat bucks. Oh, you get yours in January? You're talking about your tax return? Hoff said, crypto 100% is a scam, except for Chili's. Master Trollia said, but it's so much fun being part of a cultish Ponzi scheme with thousands of other internet shitlords. Exactly. Exactly. That is the key to happiness right there. Let's go look at Rary for our good friend Waterfly. Waterfly, I think you were here and you were asking about this. This is not the right chart. Was it on the Coinbase chart? Whoa. Wow. Maybe it was something else. What were you asking about before, Waterfly? Because we definitely pulled up a chart for you before. I don't remember what it was, though. Poloniex, nope. Rareable. I don't know. This is for NFTs, though, isn't it? This thing went crazy, too. What's going on? Yeah, the entire market's just slowly catching up to where it should be, in my opinion. And then retail's going to show up. Yeah, Sol had a good reaction off of that ETF news, but it's kind of fallen flat. Master Trollius said, selling property won't close until January. Ah, okay, interesting. Mr. Roberts said, hello, JJ. Hello, all. Master Trollius, why don't you get a loan? I'm just kidding. But I mean, you could bridge the gap with a loan. Even, hear me out, a crypto loan. What if you just took your current bags and went to LendFi, took out a loan, and then you could double your bags until you get your money in January? Can you guys see this? Can you guys see what this is? Tishu said Tron and BNB all-time high today out of nowhere. Yeah. All right. Master Trolley said, my brother and Christmas, I already took out loans. What about LendFi? What if you took out more? John said, I see a white block of nothing. All right, this is going to be great then. This is going to be great. Are you ready? Are you guys ready for the reveal? You guys remember Honey, I Shrunk the Kids? Okay. Here, let me see if I can change. I should be able to change the lighting. Hang on. Properties. Nope, I keep doing that same thing. All right, filter. I'm really excited. I'm so excited for this. All right, ready? No, that's not helping. Is it gamma? No, damn it. Shit, okay, hold on. Wait. I can't. I don't think I can fix it. How do I... Can I default that? I want this to be 0 again. And this to be 0 again. Okay. I don't remember what I had it at. How about now? No. I'm butchering this right now. Oh. 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 Okay, no. I don't think I'm going to be able to get it. All right, now let me see if I can fix it to where it was before. Shoot. I really messed it all up, didn't I? Is that normal? I look really orange now. Crap. Hoff said this video is equivalent to dead air. I'm having fun. If you guys aren't having fun, I don't know what to tell you. Okay. Oh, that looks super fuzzy. There we go. That looks better. Okay, I got it. I'll show you guys a picture later. All right. Mr. Robert said, can you look at DXYZ? It's not a coin, but would like your take on it all the same. 37% of their holdings is in SpaceX. DXYZ. The payoff was going to be great. It'll still be great. DXYZ. So I'm looking at the chart. You said majority of their holdings are in SpaceX. I mean, the chart looks great. So what I see here, if I'm using my my crypto chart medium moon phases like made up telepathy that somehow seems to keep working. This pattern right here is the exact same thing as this pattern right here. Exact same thing. Like same, but this time around there's a lot more liquidity. Look at all this liquidity down here versus right here. Right here is nothing. Back here, that's huge. That is a ton of liquidity. So it seems like this thing blew up at launch, and then it was just sideways, choppy. Nobody cared about it. Every once in a while, people would be like, oh, there's an article about so-and-so. Buy some. And then they buy some, and then it just kind of petered out every single time. It was like a little disappointing every single time. Now, come November of this year, actually, it blew up out of nowhere. Blows up. It's waking up. What is the market cap of this thing? DXYZ. Is this the right thing? 42.45. Yep. Okay, so it's got to be the right thing, right? Hoff said, talking about the last minute or two. I feel like whatever I did, I made the picture look way better. All right. What is their market cap? Oh my gosh, 461.85 million is nothing. So personally, if this thing's going to start picking up steam, which it seems to have done, I think if it was going to die off, it would have happened sooner. But the stock market is currently at all-time highs. This went from March 2024 to May, March, April, May, so 3 months. So I would say if this move was going to mimic the last one, you got 3 months. Right now, you've only gone through 1. So you got 2 more months to go. I would do December, January. So there's your window, in my opinion, to make a decent chunk of gains if you were trading it. And that's purely speculation. Whatever news caused it to blow up is being sustained. It has not had a sustained month-long move. It had a month and a half of up and a month and a half of down. This is a full month of up and to the side. Like, that's a nice, healthy increase. If you measure the mean, like the median, it's a spike, a drop, and then a decent size growth, I would call it, a growth curve. So, I mean, it seems like healthy price action to me, especially considering where it started. This is huge. 280% on a stock is enormous, especially in a month. That's crazy. That being said, the RSI is not oversold or anything. I think it's in a really good spot. Unless people start violently taking profits or some crazy news comes out about it, I feel like it's in a good spot. Mr. Roberts said, blew up with the U.S. election because SpaceX might have fewer regulations to deal with. Nice. Philly said, JJ, your head is too big. Philly, I can't do anything about that. I've tried. My head is too big. I'm getting a headache. I mean, look at my hat. Look at my hat. Like, it goes on my head, and it's like bulging out the sides. I got a big fucking head. That's not news to anyone but you, Philly. Am I really dark now? I feel like I've darkened. I'm upset that you guys can't see this. I'm going to show you. I'm going to put it up to the camera, and it should adjust. Are you ready? Here's the payoff. Ready? Are you ready? Let's get a countdown, get a drum roll, and then I'll lift it up. I need to see a countdown and a drum roll in the chat. And then I'll show you guys the damn picture. Countdown and a drum roll. Anyone? You guys don't pay attention for shit. There you go. Thank you, John. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Oh, what an amazing payoff. That's so awesome. Oh, the lighting made it so much better. That's awesome. All right, now let's move on. Let's move on. All right, Bitcoin. Still pretty green. I do think we're gonna take that liquidation to the upside though, because that's a lot of money. John said I want my money back. But yeah, this that stock, I mean, it seems like a good pick to me. Let's go through our coins again. ETH getting a little bit of recovery. Total 3 looks amazing right now. Look at that. 1.09 trillion. Sol stagnated. What is going on? It's only in the 4-hour candle, but if I was trading the 15, I'd be devastated right now, man. I can't believe it's like following, or it was at least, it followed this for days. I'm freaking myself out, guys. I really am. It has been super duper chill. SNEK blew up for a long time. Long time. Taking a little breather. Maybe it does the same thing again. Maybe it does the big spike, little spike, and then the pop. Spike, spike, and then the pop. I don't know. We'll see. XRP. What am I looking for out of XRP? Funnily enough, that XRP, the current pattern, looks very similar to the current ADA pattern, doesn't it? Just like less candles in the ADA one. So I'm wondering what this is going to do. It gets a rise up, and then it's sideways, and then it gets a rise up, and then it's sideways. Is it going to get another rise up? Or is it going to go down? The current all-time high is 331. So it has not broken its all-time high. Tishu said he wants to hold VET. Let's go take a look at VET. I like all these coins popping off. Ooh, VET getting a 20% candle. Oh my gosh. Maybe VET's the one to hold a trade in. That's crazy. Wow. It keeps doing this, man. It pops up. It goes sideways. Pops up. This is a lot less sideways here. Pops up. Is that what Doge is about to do? No, that's the wrong chart. What am I thinking of that's doing this right now? Is that H bar? Yes, it is. Interesting. Is H bar about to do that same exact thing? If they look very similar, I'm telling you, there's a reason why these charts are moving the way that they are. There's liquidity entering the market, and it's like very controlled. Billy said, I did a great trade. I sold 80% of my XRP at 275. It's now 257. Hell yeah. No, I meant your head was too big when you were zoomed in. Oh. Are you behind, Philly? I think you're behind. I can make myself really small too, which is kind of funny. Help me. Help me. Help me. No, I don't think I think I'm the only one that laughs at my jokes like that. They're not that funny. All right. Yeah, H bar looks great. Like, I thought that there was news about them working with the federal government. And then I tried to look it up. Okay, it's a rumor. It is a rumor. No, right here. Federal Reserve expands HBAR and XRP integration for RLUSD payments. Is this real? I think that's what they were talking about. I think this is real. I think that's why HBAR blew up with XRP. HBAR and XRP, almost the exact same charts. Almost the exact same charts. I gotta put them next to each other now. What else? Similar. Polkadot? Polkadot's like a more tame version. I really want to see more action out of Polkadot. What else has that same formation, though? Does AVAX? No, not really. AVAX and Chainlink look almost identical. Chainlink just got a lot more of a violent move. Doge. Does Doge look like Cas? Kind of, actually. Interesting. Near's pretty boring. Chili's is getting a pretty hefty move up, too. 7% candle? Wow. What is going on, guys? I like seeing all these coins move. Total 3 is loving it right now. Are we going to close at 1.1 for the daily? That'd be sick. Crypto close is loaded up at $46. Or I'm sorry, 0.04 to 0.06. Nice. Very nice. Do I need to flip my face? Because I'm always looking over here. Does that make sense? Is that weird and uncomfortable? That feels weird and uncomfortable. There we go. Yeah, Chili's really did have a lot of volume today, offs. Well, maybe not. I guess, yeah, today overall, yeah. This right here. It's pretty spicy. Pretty spicy. What is Chili's market cap? Did we do the math for Chili's before? I feel like we didn't. Let's go to the weekly. Let me zoom out. Oops. So Chili's current all-time high. Wow, is 94 cents. And that was when? March 8th, 2021. March 8th, 2021. March 8th, 2021. 2021, March 7th. March 7th, 2021. Chili's was right here, number 85, with a market cap of 700 million and a supply of 5.4 billion. I believe they've issued more supplies since then. Oh, they've only doubled their supplies. So, in order for them to reach 12 cents, that's not their all-time high. Interesting. Chili's all-time high on Binance. Okay, so I might have to go to the daily. Was March 12th, which I don't think I have a historical thing for. I can go March 14th, but I think it started to come down. Oh no, it'll be up there. It'll be up there. It should be around 60 cents then, which is still not 90. That's like half. 50% less. But let's go find it. Chili's is number 30 right here. $3.6 billion market cap. 5.5. Okay, so it's about the same. They've pretty much doubled, so they would need a $7 billion market cap in order for them to reach 65 cents, which is not unreasonable. because their current market cap is 1 billion. So 7x. It would be 84 cents. 84 cents in order for them to get a $7 billion market cap, 84 cents. Yeah, you're looking at a 7x with Chili's if it wants to reach its previous, or near its previous all-time high. Can I? I thought that there was a faster way for me to go to today's date. Jeez. All right. Yeah, near the daily looks decent. I guess maybe I'm getting picky because everything's running up. So when stuff isn't running up right now, it's recency bias that's starting to hit me. Oh. Let me see. Billy said, yes, I'm listening on about a 3-minute delay. Tyler said, look at RSR, Reserve Protocol. New SEC guy's coin, apparently. I don't think it's new. Reserve rights. Oh. Because of the... Okay, so it's affiliated with that dude. With the new SEC guy. Come on, CoinMarketCap. Get your shit together. We have looked at this. It's at 24 cents. Fully diluted value is 2.3 billion. Current market cap is 1.27 billion. It's on Binance. Wow. This thing is currently up 152%. And let's see, that is today. These gains, yep. Why is it up today? Because, why? Broader market uptick, because why? If you open CoinMarketCap and wonder why that's pumping so much, because the new SEC chair is an advisor. Oh. Okay. Where is it? Bro, it's not even in your tweet. There you go. $1.34. So he's just looking for a 2x. That's boring. It's not worth the risk, in my opinion. $4 billion market cap? That's nothing, man. That is nothing. That's exciting for them, though. See, there's a bunch of bullish news now happening on very specific projects. Some are reacting better than others. Why? I don't know. It's definitely getting to that weird point where like people are bearish while other people are bullish, and it's getting a little funky. Tyler said he may replace Gary. I thought that was confirmed now. I believe Trump appointed him already, or whatever, named him. He tapped him. Is that like a nominee position, or can he just put somebody in there? Because I think it's kind of weird when they can nominate some people, but then they have to vote for other people. Interesting, though. Very interesting. All right. We got some more articles for you guys. We got 17 minutes until the daily close contest. Is that right? Yeah, 17 minutes until we start submissions for the daily close contest. So let me read some articles for you guys. We got Virgin Voyages launches first cruise ship product to accept Bitcoin. The new offering builds on previous seasonal passes offering a full year's worth of voyages for a single fee. Virgin Voyages announced the launch of its new annual pass program starting in 2025 alongside news that it would become the first cruise product to accept cryptocurrency. According to a recent post, the company will accept Bitcoin as payment for the new service, with the standard upfront fee of $120,000 plus taxes applied per individual cruise. What? What?
There's no indication as to when or if Virgin Voyages will consider expanding its cryptocurrency options to include stablecoin or Bitcoin competitors. 120,000. What do you get? What do you get for that? Is that how much cruises are? I thought they were like 5 grand. I'm confused. What started as a sought after work from sea concept with our season pass has evolved into something even more special. Now sailors can jump aboard any of our ships across an endless variety of exciting destinations for an entire year. Okay, I get it. So it's 120,000. So it's about 10 grand a month. And you can just live on the freaking cruise for a year. That actually sounds like it'd be kind of cool. Cruise ships scare the crap out of me because I've heard and seen so many horror stories, but I don't know if you were able to live on one for a year, I feel like that'd be sick. We're offering unlimited opportunities for adventure in a way that has never been done in cruising before. All right, that one's interesting. Alex Mashinsky to plead guilty to 2 charges in plea deal. U.S. authorized authorities charged the former Celsius CEO with 7 felony counts related to fraud and misleading users after reaching a non-prosecution agreement with the company in 2023. I don't know. Lock his ass up. Former Celsius CEO Alex Mashinsky, mind you, this guy's whole his like catchphrase was "not your keys, not your coins." And what did he do? He stole everyone's money. What do you know? The loudest guy in the room is the thief. Let's see. Former Celsius CEO Alex Mashinsky has reached a plea agreement with the United States prosecutors after his lawyers lost a bid to have charges in his criminal indictment dismissed. In a December 3rd conference, the United States District Court for the Southern District of New York, Mashinsky said he would plead guilty to commodities fraud and fraudulent scheme to manipulate the price of Celsius token. The former Celsius CEO admitted to making false statements about the platform's earn program that encouraged investors to sell their Bitcoin, earned him an estimated $42 million in profits. I said that Celsius had approval from regulators, said Mashinsky. According to reporting from Intercity Press, it was false. I falsely said I was not selling my sell tokens. I said, what? He lied? He said he's not selling and he was selling? What a piece of shit! I accept full responsibility for my actions. I hope someone beats his fucking ass. The plea agreement allowed Mashinsky to plead guilty to only 2 charges out of the initial 7. That's bullshit. That is such bullshit. Look at his stupid little fucking face. Somebody should throw a fucking stale hot dog bun in his face like they did to Bill Cosby. Fuck this guy. Could face up to 30 years. Good. I hope they put him away for 30 fucking years. Throw all the stale hot dog buns at this dude's stupid fucking face. Fuck him. Next article. Curve Finance monthly revenues up more than 20% on DeFi search. I know that Hops was really excited about Curve. Let's go take a look at Curve really quick. Guys, I apologize. I'm not a big fan of scammers, and Alex Mashinsky was the loudest scammer last bull market. Tyler said, I don't think it's for sure yet. Hoffs said, Ave 242. Hoffs, Ave or Curve? Make up your mind. Tyler said, I want pink. I keep saying Pink Link, which sounds like a weird adult toy website. I want Pin Link to explode. It also has a good use case. If AI pops off the cycle, Pinlink is going to be a front runner. I feel like AI is dying off. I don't know if you guys remember our friend Bath. Our friend Bath was, hang on, I'm trying to fix my color right now. Is that better? That looks a lot better, right? Do I look less yellow, or did I make myself more yellow? WF Capital said, yo, Jasmine. Let's go look at Jasmine. If you guys remember, actually, let me look at this really quick. This thing broke out of its thingy. Let's go. Curve Finance broke out of its thingy. What's that green line for? The resistance? Oh, if Curve breaks this resistance, it's go time. All right, Jasmine. Me and Bath were having a conversation about, ooh, what did I say? What did I say? Look at that. That's beautiful. JJ, how do you keep doing it? I don't know. I throw some lines on the chart and stuff plays out the way that I draw it. That's enough questions, though. That's enough questions. Please hold your applause. I can't believe this. This is sick. Congratulations to Jasmine holders. This is amazing. Anyways, I was having a conversation with Bath, and the idea that you got jaundice. Am I yellow again? I look green? Shit. I can't figure this shit out, man. I'm not good at this. How about that? Is that normal? That looks pretty good. It depends on where I go. If I go right here, I definitely jaundice. The jaundice one cracks me up. That's a funny joke. Too much vitamin D. Anyways, me and Beth were talking about AI and the concept that AI has kind of reached its peak. It's not really, like, it's plateaued. It cannot get anywhere further than where it's at. The artificial intelligence part isn't real. It's fed by humans. And because it has access to our information now, and it's like, I don't know what the word is. It's as efficient as possible. It's been fully fine-tuned. It can't do anything. Like we've maxed out artificial intelligence. And I was like, oh, I mean, that might be true. That literally might be true. Oh, I don't know. Which kind of makes the whole AI stock thing a little bit frightening. I don't know if they're ever gonna stop using AI. I'm sure it's gonna continue to be refined into infrastructure and stuff like that. But I don't know if artificial intelligence itself is ever gonna progress further than where it's at right now. And I'll happily be proven wrong. It mostly just seems like human input, though. And you kind of, like, you tell it what to do. Does that make sense? There's no such thing as artificial intelligence because the people made the artificial intelligence the way that it is. I don't know. I don't like to talk about it. It gets me into like a whole wormhole where my brain's like, whoa. Anyways, let's move on. Jasmine looks sick. I'm not gonna say I called this move, but I mean the squiggly lines speak for themselves. It's not easy being a genius. Now, if only Bitcoin would play out the way that I freaking drew it. I do have a fractal on Bitcoin, which does show a decent sized pullback, which Hoffs was trying to claim credit for in the Discord, by the way. He said, I bet you $100 will go to 80 to 85K in the next week. Look at this, Hoffs. It looks like 85K to me, doesn't it? And, oh, that's weird. That's like within the next week or two. Isn't that crazy? Guys, don't forget we got our daily close contest coming up in about 8 minutes. First 10 submissions get in. You do have to smash the like button in order to win. We take the first 10 submissions. You can start submitting 10 minutes prior to the daily close, and after, like when there's 5 minutes remaining, you can no longer submit. Closest without going over gets bragging rights. If you nail the first 5 digits, you win $15. If you nail all 7 digits, you win a special prize, which could be merch. It could be $100. I don't know. I get to pick. So. Let's see. What do we think it's going to be? I'm going to make my guess right now. No, I'm not. I'm not going to make my guess right now, because if you guys guess the same thing as me and then you guys win, I'm going to be mad. Man, Soul really did just give up. It pumped up a lot, and then it gave up. Okay, Suitcase. I feel like this is a winner. This one's different, actually. This one's totally different. Where's Suitcase? Crap. Okay, I didn't buy any of this. That's close. That was a close one. Did I? I don't remember. Okay. My wallet's not connected. That's right, because I almost got rugged yesterday by going to some sketchy website when I launched that stupid thing. What did I launch? I don't remember my password. Guys, what coin did I launch yesterday? Minotaur Frog, that's right. Look at all my rugs. I got rugged on Shitters Full. I mean, I was expecting rug on Flying Spaghetti Monster. I made money off of Flying Spaghetti Monster. I got rugged on Hawkcat. I made a decent chunk of change on Baby Bear, and I could have made more. I got rugged on Moodangus Maximus. I rugged myself on Pop Tato and Minotaur Frog. And then Shambles, I'm just accumulating. After that, ETH is Opium Guy. I made money off of it, but then I left a moon bag that went to 0. Legacy went to 0. Just buy $1 worth of this. I bought $2 worth of this, and now it's worth 32 cents. So that's cool. Fuck this job. Went to 0. Burb went to 0. I did make money off of it, though. Dark Magician Girl went to 0. I did make money off of it, though. And when I say I made money off of it, I actually took profits out of the coin. Soul, I guess I don't have that much soul. I think I need to put more in order to transact. Oops. Omega, this thing went to 0. I think I made money off of this. I don't remember. Easy Sis, I for sure made money off of it. Moonbag went to 0. Shigen, Moonbag went to 0. Skynet, I think I just got rugged on Skynet. Medusa, Moonbag went to 0. JJ, this just went to 0. ETH, junk. Is this the ticker's ETH? Okay, no, that's just Ethereum. Do I have 3 Ethereums? 0 ETH. What? What am I looking at? Okay, I don't know. Baka went to 0. I didn't make any money off of it. Popo, I don't remember. I don't think I took any profits on Popo. I think I added to it and it went to 0. The ticker's ETH, this was $10. It's worth 7 now. That's okay. DBI, I received as a gift. And then nothing. Oh, they added quotations. What? Why would they add quotations? They ruined it. Anyways, that's an update on our meme folio, guys. We got 4 more minutes until the daily close contest begins. Let's see. Let me check the chat. Billy said, JJ, I've made good money this week so far, so I sent you a few more dollars. No, you did not. WF Capital said, Jack don't miss. Thank you, Philly. Guys, Philly is single-handedly paying for the, paying for the edible stream. WF Capital said, Jack don't miss. Hops said, damn, BNB is going. Philly said, and some of my earnings was because of your great advice. Thank you, Philly. I'm glad somebody actually trades off of my advice. Stinky Scrublet said, give me a 10x, please. Teach you said, check your live. We can't see. What do you mean? What can't you see? Oh, the wallet? This stream is a fucking disaster. I thought you guys could see it when I popped it up. Damn. Okay, well, I walked through it verbally, I guess, so you guys heard the words. That's funny. Oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. Stinky Scrublet said, okay. Yeah, probably because you're streaming the browser, not desktop. Yeah, the browser pop-ups don't like show up. Billy said Hoff's Ave is 242 now. Awesome. All right. That's my bad. I thought that you guys could always see that. That's funny. I had no idea. Yeah, so who was it that filed for the Sol ETF? I don't remember. 21 shares. Grayscale. Grayscale filed for a Solana ETF. There's a bunch of them that have already been filed, though. So it was a bit of a nothing burger, unfortunately. Oh, there's my alarm.
which is why I think Sol has since stagnated. Which is a little bit lame. Look at how sideways Bitcoin's been. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. All right, let me get my thingy ready. Guys, remember, it is on the Bitcoin USDT chart on Binance specifically. Hoff said, I didn't realize we've been up near 95K for 3 weeks now. Stinky Scrubbler said, need 1K Sol right now. Same Stinky Scrubbler. All right, we are getting ready for the daily close contest. Any second now. I know there's a delay. I'm going to try to time it. Go, 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 go. Go, go, go. Get your submissions in for the daily close contest. Go! You guys are slow, man. Billy said, JJ, did I finally earn a wrench yet? I swear I want to use it. Billy, just submit your damn thing for the daily close. Crypto Clo getting his 95,988 in. I like that 88. Oh, here we go. Hops, 95,879. Crypto Clo, I don't know if you were here when it happened, but Hoff's lost by a penny. He submitted his, and like if he submitted right here, let's say his was like 95,879.00. It was like 95,878.99 or something like that. And he went over, and we go by Price is Right rules, so he literally lost by a penny. Stinky Scribbler. Okay. Okay, yep. T-Stew. Oh my gosh, you guys are going fast. T-Stew, 95,991.15. And then we got John's Gibberish. 95,750.01. Let me just double check that. Ooh. Money, 95,940. Yo. What was it, 95,940? Yes. Billy said, JJ, Sol will probably go sideways for a few days or weeks, but I know it's going to hit 400 to 500 late winter. I like that. Do I look purple now? Why do I feel like I look purple down here when I have... Is it like this? Does my face look purple? Philly, 95,950. There you go, Philly. Good job. Yeah, guys, if your submission does not go through, resubmit it without the decimals. Without the decimals, without a comma. Sometimes YouTube just doesn't like people, so you might have to join the Discord, submit it in the Discord. But so far, we're good. We're good. We're good. We got 3 more minutes. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 4 more positions. Stinky Scribblet said I still have a $16 Sol 73.35x long entry at 167.21. Hello? I swear I just heard somebody. That's fucking creepy. Hello? I'm supposed to be alone right now. I thought I just heard somebody go, eh. I'm psyching myself out. It's getting creepy in here, man. It's getting creepy. Is anybody else submitting? There we go. Mr. Roberts, 96036. Very nice. With 2 minutes to spare. What was that creepy ass noise? I guess the birds aren't bothered. They're still going.
Billy said, John, is your submission in pounds or USD? Oh, Tyler, 96,000 straight. 96,000 flush. 96,000 clean. I like it. I like it a lot. Very nice, Tyler. Very good. Very cool. Tyler said it again. Stinky Scrublet said, I wish I did multiple soul on my long. It's currently up 3K. Stinky Scrublet, are you going to submit? Are you going to submit or no? There's a ghost in my apartment. I will say, we do have confirmation that 2 people, at least, have died in the apartment that I live in. And one of them was our high school friend's sister, which is kind of crazy. The other one was an old man. He was cooking. And he left the stove on. And he fell asleep. And then he was making like mac and cheese or something. And it just caught on fire. And the apartment filled with smoke. And then he died from smoke inhalation. Stinky Scrublet, you said you already submitted yours? I didn't get it, Stinky Scrublet. I got nothing from you. Billy said my submission without the comma is 95,950. Work was extra worky today. Yeah, I don't think I got anything from you, Stinky Scrublet. Let me go check the Discord. Time's up, guys. You hit your deadline. If Stinky Scrublet has submitted, then I will see. I got nothing. Nothing from Stinky Scrublet. Yeah, you're not in here, man. Tyler, be nice. Let me see. I wish I did multiple percentage. Let me go back up. When I said go, go, go. We got Philly, CryptoClo, Hoffs. Stinky Scrublet said, I still have $16 sold, 73.5x long. And then we got T-Stew, John, Money, CryptoClo, 3 times. Philly, Mr. Roberts, Tyler, Philly, Hoffs. Stinky Scrublet said, I wish I did multiple soul. My long is currently up 3K. Tyler, me, Nunya B. That rhymed. Philly, Janix. Stinky Scrublet said, I already did. Janix, Tyler. Stinky Scrublet said, does it not let me post that? LOL. I can post a screenshot of it above in chat. Do it. Yeah, hook me up, Stinky Scrublet. I almost said screen shit. Oopsie. Hurry up, though. Chop, chop. I've said one day this contest will go off without a hitch. Tyler said if I lose, I'm making mac and cheese tonight. Jeez. Too soon. What if I get molested by a ghost live on my crypto live stream? Then people will use that as a reason to not get into crypto. Stinky Scrubber said, oops, I put it in religion. Okay. This is gonna be controversial, guys. Ah! Okay, got it. Okay, Stinky Scrublet, 95, 923, 23. Yeah, Stinky Scrublet with the decimal and the comma. I think YouTube thinks that it's a phone number. 95, 923, 23. Okay, thank you very much, Stinky Scrublet. Let me get the hell out of here now. Okay. All right, let me put them in order. I got 2 minutes. Fuck. 95, 988, 95, 897, 95, 991. Copy. Get out of here. That's going to be number 1. 95, 750. Yep. 95, 940. Copy. That's going to be number 3. 95, 950. That's going to be number 3. 96, 036, 96, 00. That's going to be number 1 and number 2. And then 95, 750, 95, 879, 95, 940. Yep, 95, 879, 988, 950, 940, 879, 750, 996. Copy. That is going to be number 3.
Oh my gosh, I think I have 1 minute left. 95, 9, 23, 23. Copy. 95, 9, 23, 23 is going to go right here. Yeah! We did it. All right, who do I think is going to take it? I think it's going to be Philly. Oh, shit. I actually guessed really close. I am going to guess Mr. Philly Driver. And this is our candle. This is our candle. Should I stop guessing? Maybe. Am I oh, shit. Oh! This is it, guys. Dun-dun-dun-dun. Lights go down. Any minute now. Let me take a sip. Oh, there it is. It closed at 95,849.69. 95,849.69. Did anybody guess that? 95,849. Is that correct? 95,849.69. 95,849.69. Nobody guessed it. Hoff's got the closest. Hawks is the winner. What? I just almost broke my thing. Congratulations, Hoff. Spam the bananas in the chat, guys. Hoff's won bragging rights and unsolicited nudes. Congratulations. Epic comeback from losing by a penny to winning by, like... Oh, am I incorrect? Am I wrong? It's John. It's John. It is the Price is Right rules. I swear to God. I'm so sorry, Hobbs. Holy shit. I don't know what else to do, man. That's fucked up. I should just end the stream. John is the winner. Congratulations, John. You won bragging rights. That's so fucked up. Oh, man. I'm so sorry. John said, wait, is this the edible stream? No, I swear. I promise. Jesus Christ. Okay. Congratulations, John. Let me go put the fucking thing on there. Holy shit. I really thought Hoffs won. I was excited, I promise. I didn't do that on purpose. One of these days you'll win, Hoffs, I swear. I promise. I'll make sure. I'll make sure you win one day. My face hurts so bad. For the record, I was working on a proposal all day. And the guy that we're working on the proposal for is like a cokehead. And he doesn't know how math works. And we're supposed to give 5% to this entity that provided the job to us. So he goes, okay, so for each deposit, we give them 2.5% of it, right? And I'm like, no, that would be 2.5%. Because you're adding up 2.5% twice, that's not 5%. That's still 2.5%. What? Money said, wait, what happened? Money. John won. So send him bananas in the chat and unsolicited nudes. That's all that you need to know. Oh, man. Tishu said he did it to troll you, Hoffs, because you lost by a penny. I swear I didn't. I swear. He said this is like the refs getting together in Kansas City Raiders game, changing the call. I really thought that Hoffs won. I wish I could give you a hug. I feel so bad. I'm just gonna drink my tea in shame. Damn. Oh. Tyler said, if I use less water, will it make it smoke faster? Oh, John said, no, you all don't have to send me your nudes. I already have the ones from last 3 or 4 times I won. You know what? John's winning fantasy football, too. This is fucked up. This is bullshit. Mr. Roberts said, Thanks for closing out the day, JJ. Always nice to drop in and see how your channel is doing. Keep it up, dude. Cheers. Appreciate you, Mr. Roberts. Thank you for joining us. Happy Tuesday, my guy. Happy Tuesday. Oh, Hoffs is right, though. One of these days, the contest will go off without a hitch. Wow. What an absolute shit show. You know what? In honor of me butchering that, I'm going to go buy some more shambles because my contest is in shambles. So it's only fitting. Let's see. Can I make a trade without having to refund my portfolio? Let me see. I'm basically, let me just sell half of my Ticker's ETH. Where is it? Where is it? There it is. Sell 50%, 50%. There we go. Sell. Is it going to work? I think it will. No. Crap. Okay. Confirm anyway? Transaction pending. Hang on. Maybe it'll work. I don't think it works, actually, when it says transaction pending. Great. Is it just going to be pending forever now? Yeah, I think I got screwed over when I was working around Minotaur Frog in Pump Fun. Something happened. Hang on, let me go to my bookmarks and go to Minotaur Frog. Sell 50%. Yeah, no, I don't have the transaction fee. Okay, I'll figure it out later. I am going to buy more shambles, though, as my punishment. All right. Stinky Scrublet said, do you have any thoughts on the Solana Seeker? What is the Solana Seeker? Tyler said, gotta go. Janik said, is that the new Solana phone or something? Something different? Philly said, okay, who won, me or Hoffs? John won. Money said, Hoffs, you should make the complaint to the manager. These people are making it impossible for you to win. Philly said, the arrow was pointing to me. That was my guess. That was my guess for the winner. Man, I really messed that up, didn't I? There you go, Hoffs. The real winner here. Oh, the market's turning green. Except for SNEK. Look, H-bar is turning green. XRP is turning green. DOT's turning green. SUI's turning green. Hang on. C wants to turn green. Caspa, of course, is going to turn green now that I'm not trading it anymore. Chainlink is turning green. AVAX is turning green. I mixed those two up. I have some form of dyslexia. Lunk is turning red. Polygonmatic Pole turning green. Near red. Chili's red-ish. I gotta pick on you, Hoffs, because of how much money you've made with Chili's. That's what it is. I've been paid off by Sweat Economy. I've been paid off by Sweat Economy to troll all Chili's holders. What the hell is this? 57. 57. Okay, 57 million's not bad, I guess. What is this? Sweat Economy. That sounds gross. Why would you want this? OG fan token. Okay, Top Goal is a good one. That's a good good name. I think FC Barcelona wanted to integrate with Cardano. They had a Catalyst fund, but it was like ridiculous amount of money. And the Cardano people told them to fuck off. Which is kind of funny. Anyways, yeah, I've been paid off by Sweat Economy, I swear. I did sign an NDA though, so I am breaking the law right now by telling you. Sorry.
Sorry. Let's see. There's a lot of chats. Billy said the arrow is pointing to me. Stinky Scribbler said yes, Solana phone. Teach you said, were you able to sell that M-Frog pump? M-Frog pump. Did I buy M-Frog? I don't know if I bought that. Oh, mine? My stupid thing? Minotaur Frog? No, that happened while I was live. So I minted this token yesterday. It blew up and then rugged, and then I looked at it. When I looked at it, it was like, it was right here when I looked at it, and I was like, oh. I was like, oh, it pumped and dumped. Literally while I was live. And then it dumped more. I don't know. I missed all the action. I didn't even get to see how much it was worth when it was up here. And I don't want to do the math because I'll be upset. But there was like a bunch of junk in the thing. People were like, oh, it's all gone now. Where did it go? Okay, so Pump Fund must have gotten rid of the scammy ones. Interesting. Any luck getting a coin to run? Nope, no luck. No luck at all. I do feel bad for Minotaur Frog, though. Justice for Minotaur Frog. Genuinely. Definitely don't recommend buying that coin. I do not recommend buying that coin. All right. Tyler said, I'm back, JJ. I'm in your apartment. Stinky Scribblet said, I know the last phone got way more in airdrops than the phone costs. Exactly. That was pretty sick. I don't think anyone was expecting that. Philly said, this is like the Eagles winning the game, but blowing it during the last 3 minutes. Stinky Scrublet, oh, what happened? Said, can you buy me some Chili's ribs? Janik said, I know if you pre-ordered the phone, you probably have made your money back on airdrops already. Not sure how many more there will be, but I have a Solana Saga first phone, and occasionally I still get some airdrops from it. That's awesome. Hoff said, I hope Tyler didn't give up on SUI yesterday. I didn't, LOL. Wanted to. Oh, Tyler, did you see? Did you see that SUI literally played out exactly how I freaking drew it? I freaked out about this. I was like, whoa. Do you remember me drawing this? I said, I need a bounce with conviction, and then it got that, and I said, okay, it's probably going to do this. And it did that. That's awesome. I'm very proud of that. Philly said, JJ, what you need to do is write and insert code directly on the page that will automatically sort the submissions. Yeah, I don't know how to do that. Fahid said, missed it again. Damn, Fahid, you missed a good one. Stiggy Scribblet said, schizo. Tishu said, damn, missed it. Just create another and stare at it, right? Janik said, the story is epic. If that happened today, it would absolutely be a banger meme coin. Right. John said, Philly, I think you're confusing the Eagles for the Jets. Philly said, I don't know about any Solana phone, but I still have my Obama phone. I didn't know the Obama phone existed until recently. Tyler said, has anyone ever got an NFT sent to their wallet before randomly? Yes, that is actually how a lot of phishing happens. You interact with the NFT and then they get access to your wallet from you, like approving a transaction. Like, so if I was a scammer, I would send you an NFT, and then outside of that, I would make you an offer for that NFT. And then you're like, oh crap, this JJ wallet is offering me 1 ETH for this NFT? This isn't my NFT. Accept. And then the second you click approve, I got your wallet info, and I'm sucking all that liquidity. I'm sucking liquidity out of your wallet. All right. Let's get back to crypto. I'm making an ass of myself, which I guess is par for the course, but I'm getting a little too rowdy. Guys, don't forget to smash the like button. How many likes are we at today? We are at 11 likes. Very nice. We got 12 people watching.
Don't forget to spam the hearts in the chat for Hoffs because I fucked up the contest and I made him feel bad. Philly said, John, there's no way anyone could confuse the Eagles with the Jets. LMAO. Janik said, Obama phone. Haha. Stinky Scrublet said, whoa, I didn't notice that chainlink pump. Sadly, I only have 10 of them. Stinky Scrublet, we called the chainlink pump. Ready? Bam. I said it's going to squeeze and squoze, and then it's going to pop as soon as it breaks above this. And then I said the same thing about AVAX, and both of those things happened. I'm very proud. Let's see. Tishu said, do one about South Korea martial law. Do what about South Korea martial law? Money said, Fahid, are you always this slow? You probably missed all the Bitcoin tops, too. Fahid said, LOL, pretty much, Money. I think Fahid's time is just effed up. Like, he has to stay up till midnight for his job and shit. But he's tired. He's always tired by midnight for some reason. Tishu said, or too late. Tyler said, haha, good thing you said something. My first thought was, oh, what's this worth? LOL. Exactly. Yeah, that's how a lot of phishing happens with the random NFT drops. Money said, Fahid is a kind of guy who is late to his own wedding. Stinky Scrublet said, wow, I should have been watching. Tishu said a pump fun token. Oh. That, I don't know, that would get me in trouble. My wallet says JJsCrypticCorner right on it. I can't do possibly politically incorrect things. JWaz Adventure said, hey JJ, can you look at Mao on Solana, Monkey on Watermelon, please? Yes, I can. Mao. Mao, Mao, Mao. Mao. Okay. Wow, this is actually kind of cool. It's like perfectly mirroring itself. Okay, so what if it pop, choppy down, flat, choppy up, pop, and then down? What if it does that? Perfectly mirroring. Can I just take, let me see if I can just take that bars pattern and mirror it. No, I'm not. Am I not allowed to do that? That's annoying. Really? Oh, I can. Okay. Yep. Right click, mirrored. The other way. Mirrored and flipped. Let's go. Okay. So what if it's just doing this? What if it's just doing this? Nah. I don't think it works. But what about that? That kind of works. It's iffy. It's very iffy. This would be the end of the move. 232 or $323,000 market cap. RSI. It's very choppy RSI on the 15-minute. When did this thing launch? August. Really? Why am I so zoomed out? Let me go to the 4-hour. Yeah, so it looks like it's kind of mirroring exactly what it's done in the past. It was dead, though. See, guys, again, this thing was dead at the end of August. People held September, October, November, and then it blew up. Again, people held from zero. From zero. And they probably have made their money back by now. 28x. Let's check out the Twitter. Have they been active on Twitter? I'm sure they have, because it's pumping now. Joined August 2024. Yes, they have. Notice the monkey doesn't blink. What the hell? This is creepy. It's like so off-putting. Me driving my $100 investment into generational wealth. All right. Let's focus, guys. Focus. What do I see? What do my fractal Farquad eyes see? I see bearish div. But in order for that to make sense, I need to see this go down and I need to see this go down. Then you will have
solidified bearish div right here. And right here. So what I would want then is the bullish div setup. I would want, so this would have to be lower while this is higher. I would want that. And then it's probably going to pop. Not too high, probably not that much. I would want it to have a nice reaction, and then I would want to see it do it again. So with the reaction, you'll get this, and then you'll get this. So then I would want to see more bearish div and more bullish div. And then I would want to see the parabola from the pressure cooker move. You have part 1 of like 6 right now. The bearish div is the first part. So you want the bearish div to push into bullish div, to push into a pop, and then to push into bearish div and bullish div again, and then another pop, and then the move is over. That being said, this does seem to be the first move of hopefully a continued uptrend if they can maintain this. But right now, it is also an ascending triangle. So be careful with that, because this is a bearish pattern, like I said. So you want to see that push into bullish div to then get a continuation to the upside. Let me check the chat. Fahid said, holy crap, money. You're right. I was late to my own wedding. JWaz Adventure said, thanks for looking at it, JJ. Of course, JWaz Adventure. Appreciate you. Check out the website, please. Let's go take a look at the website. Oh, it's a TikTok. Ooh. This goofy chunk gets 30,000 likes. I get 3 in the morning, but 3 a.m.? What? Yo, bro, let's lock in and get rich. What bro sends me at 3 a.m.? Please, I need to repost. What's the original vid? Monkey on watermelon? Wait, did they turn off repost? Because that's freaking funny. I mean, all it takes is a good meme, man. All it takes is a good... They've reposted this a million times. 450, 1701, 25.2. See, it literally just depends on when you post something. That's funny. Monkey on watermelon. Interesting. All right. Money said, Fahid, no. Are you for real? Fahid said, for real. LOL. We need a sitcom of Fahid's life. It seems very sitcom-y to me. Look at Avalanche go. Let's go through our crypto coins again. Our crypto coins. I feel like I feel like Jim Cramer when I say that. There are so many crypto coins. Why wouldn't I invest in all of them? You know, all these guys on Twitter, they keep inverse Kramer, blah, blah, blah. And, you know, it hurts. It hurts. Was that a good Kramer? I feel like he's got kind of a whiny voice. And inverse Kramer does work, so if he's mad about it, he should probably try counter trading himself. Look at this. He gets a nice pop. A pop. Is it going to keep doing that? Interesting. Pop. Pop. Change in trajectory. Pop. More change in trajectory. It's doing the parabola. It's doing the parabola. That's such a funny word. Say parabola. Say parabola enough times, it doesn't sound like a word anymore. Parabola, parabola, parabola. Parabola, parabola. Parabola, parabola. Parabola. Money said, the timing is important indeed. He made her wait. That's pretty funny. Janik said, LMAO, that was hilarious when he acknowledged he is a meme, right? That was pretty funny. He has this voice, though, and he talks like this. He's like, the Bitcoins. It's pretty funny. Ooh, 1.1 trillion. Oh my gosh. Look at how close Total 3 is to all-time highs. If Total 3 breaks all-time highs and Bitcoin dominance continues down, we are officially entering the first alt season. That is my metric. My personal metric. Look at Sol's recovering. Very nice. Guys, don't forget to congratulate John. John is the winner today. John M has won. Not anybody else, even though I said somebody else. John won today, and I lost. But Hops won our hearts. And his Chili's trade. Yesterday, though. Look at this. Chili's is just like triangle after triangle. You got triangle, triangle, a descending, broadening, triangle, descending, broadening. Near is underperforming. Polygonmatic pole just kind of sucks in general. Lunk is doing really good. Doge underperforming. Chainlink looking like a flag. Avalanche looking like a flag. Cass, I don't want to talk about it. C looking great. SUI looking even better. Dot looking good. H-bar looking pop. XRP, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Somebody sold a lot of XRP right here. Oops, 80 dominance. SNEK. Lot of wicks. A lot of indecisive wicks. It's kind of just holding the same price, though. Waiting for some news on SNEK. There is, like I said earlier, there's rumors going around that SNEK and Hosky, two Cardano meme coins, SNEK is the #1 meme coin on Cardano right now, are slated for Tier 1 exchange listings this week. Just rumors. I cannot confirm anything right now. ADA looking good, 1.7%. Sol looking good, 1.5%. Total 3 looking great, 1.1 trillion. We are 0.03 trillion away from a new all-time high on Total 3, which is the total crypto market cap minus Bitcoin and ETH. And when I say total crypto market cap, this only includes the top 125 coins by market cap. So it does not include all of our Sol crap coins or our meme coins on Cardano or wherever. Avalanche. Doesn't include your Cock Inu. John said, I'm a winner every day. John, your winning has become alarming. JY's Avenger said, W. John. Tyler said, SUI still not doing anything, though. SUI looks good. What are you talking about? SUI looks great. It did exactly what I said it was going to do. It did do a W, though. The W looks wonderful. The W. Watch this, ready? W. That, according to Hoffs, is also an inverse harmonic. If you just do this and you don't care about what the numbers say. I love you, Hoffs. Please don't be mad at me. What else do we got in the chat? Let's see. Let's see. Hoff said KDA, please. Let's go look at KDA. I can't believe I fucked up the stupid contest. Whoa! KDA is blasting off to the upside. I like this pattern, though. This is actually what I'm expecting out of everything else. Everything else blew up, and now it's like, meh, and everyone's like, you're not doing nothing. Uh-oh. Did I lose my stream? Hang on, guys. I think we're good. I think we're good. My stream may rug. Don't do that, John. I'm not muted, am I? Hang on. Yeah, I'm not muted. All right. Okay. You guys are saying a bunch of nonsense. But yeah, KDA looks good.
My OBS disconnected for a second. There was like a weird jump in the timeline. The RSI looks good. There's no bearish div, which is great. There was bullish div right here, which actually kind of called this move. I would go back even further. Look at that beautiful bullish div setup. Very nice. That would have been a great trade. If you would have traded that right after the bounce, 50%. That's a hell of a move. Let's see. Who else said something? PopCap been moving. John said, gonna have to change my name to John W. That's a good one. That's a good one. Philly said, JJ, if this takes too much time, skip it. But can you look up the total market cap just before the COVID dump and then look at the total market cap at the bottom of the COVID dump? Yes, I can. I don't think I'm supposed to say that word either, so I might get blacklisted on YouTube. But yes, I can. Total 3. Let's go to the weekly. I guess the biggest question is, when was that dump? Was it this? It had to have been that, right? That was a 41% candle. Wow. Was that it? Four years ago. Okay. I guess I got to check the Bitcoin chart. Let's check the Bitcoin chart. Backdate it. Was it this? That was 2020, yeah. I think it was that, wasn't it? That was nothing. Was that it? Single Thursday and dip below $4,000. Okay, so yeah, that's Bitcoin dip below $4,000. Was that it? That had to have been it, right? So it honestly kind of looks like nothing. Yeah, yep. So Monday, March 9th, 2020. And then total 3. So it was only a 30% retrace. Wow. That's actually kind of impressive. 30% in a week. And then I got 8 right back up. We still got 1.1 trillion on total 3. Very nice. Jay Wesaventure said, ski on base is the next whiff. I missed it. A U.S. senator just bought it. Philly said, OMG, I lost so much money on Kadena about 3 years ago. Janik said, that was a huge dip. That was not a huge dip, not compared to the bull market dips. 30% happened in one day. No, that was the weekly chart. That was the weekly chart. All right, let's go look at ski on base. Some senator bought this? $157 million market cap. I mean, it's cute. It's weird for a senator to buy, though. From the local bottom, it's up 747. Very nice. All right. This thing went up on the 4-hour, had a pretty decent candle, 24%. Jalome Mattia said Bitcoin was mostly around 8K in 2020. Oh, Total 3 is getting a little retrace. Let's go Bitcoin 2020. Wow. Wow. Crazy moves, man. Crazy moves. It's weird that the entire bull market, the entire last bull market, has been eaten by Bitcoin already. The entire last bull market. Oh, screw you, TradingView. All right, 2020. Yeah, most of 2020 was spent around 8K. Dang. That's so sick. Look at this, man. The last bull market looks small already. This was huge. Like, people made life-changing money here. Right here is like in the beginning. What is going on? Don't forget to congratulate John, guys. John is the winner of today's contest once again. A frequent, recurring winner on the channel. You know why John keeps winning? Because he bought some merch. Let me show you. You go to the channel, and then in the bio, you click on the 4th wall link, and then it'll take you to the lovely merch shop. You can buy a SUI beanie, a Soul beanie, a Cardano beanie, a Number Go Up beanie, just in time for winter, or you can get a Sleepy Ghost hoodie, Coffee Ghost hoodie, Beanie Coffee Ghost hoodie, or Horse Guy GM mug hoodie. You can also get pullovers. You can get Cardano meme coin merch. You can get t-shirts. We got other mugs that you can purchase with Michael Saylor on it. You got sweatpants with Sleepy Ghost on it, Coffee Ghost, and Beanie Coffee Ghost. You get sweatpants with Horse Guy on it. You get t-shirts with Horse Guy on it. We got hats. We got desk mats. We got phone cases. You name it. We got it. If you got a request, submit it in the Discord, and I will make it. Appreciate you guys. Buying merch helps support the channel, for I am simply a poor man. But I'm rich in friendship. Let's see. Billy said, JJ, here's another one that caused the biggest capitulation. Oh, what caused the biggest capitulation? The Luna crash or the SBF crash? I think the SBF crash, because that was an exchange. So a lot of people got screwed, whereas Luna was just one asset. FTX, I think, also was partially responsible for Luna coming down. Janik said Bitcoin went from 8K to 38 in less than 24 hours. March 12th and 13th, it corrected so fast, the weekly didn't look as bad. Exactly. But if you compare that to the weekly corrections in the bull market, this is just a good way to prepare yourself. Compare that to the weekly corrections in a bull market, 20% plus 25%. That's 45% in 2 weeks on Bitcoin, which is huge as far as market cap goes. The actual market cap right here that was removed, 45% of, like, I think at the time probably $1 trillion asset, $500 billion, versus what was it down here, like a couple hundred million, maybe a couple billion. It's crazy. It's crazy what happens when time goes on. Because back here, this move was gigantic. This was like world ending. So was this. And then we had these. And now, now we're way the hell up here. It's just crazy, man. It's literally, it's a giant lesson in perspective. Which then, you know, you can get into the whole money doesn't buy happiness thing. And the reason that is because once people have money and all of their problems go away monetarily, they start to realize what else they have in life. And then they're like, oh, it's nothing. I have nothing else in life. That's why money can't buy happiness, or money doesn't buy happiness, is such a commonly said thing. Because it doesn't. Billy said, Janix, good lord. But how much money did people lose selling at a loss? Oh, I have no idea. I don't even know how to look that up. I'd be afraid to even look. Janix said, sorry, I meant 48 hours. Tyler said, show me where you think we are this bull run compared to 2021. So I guess with Bitcoin, it's kind of hard. Because if you just do the math,
4 years from the bull run, we're at the beginning. We are literally supposed to be right here. September, October, November, December. Okay, December makes more sense. December 2021, 2020 right here. We are right here. That's this move. Or maybe even just this move. So actually, I would go this whole thing right here is this whole thing right here. I like the 4-year cycle. So right now we're at December 7th right here. And then I would go back to like March. So from March to today, I think this is where we're at. And I can actually take it even further and copy the bars pattern. This is what we've experienced so far. It matches up pretty good, actually. This was more of an uptrend, a solid uptrend. This, we came up already and we retraced a little bit and then we continued. So if I take this whole thing and even the double top, and then I come over here without adjusting the width at all, so I want to make sure that I mark that exact width. Without adjusting that, let me go up, 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 and then, yeah, I guess I would want that to line up right there. Yep, that makes sense. So this is what I think we're going to get. Just like completely throwing it out there. Possibly 160 by March. I think that'd be sick. That'd be crazy. But we'll see what happens. We'll see if retail arrives. We'll see if the United States builds the Bitcoin strategic reserve. Let me go back down to the daily so it's easier to see maybe. Get this fractal out of here. Get these words out of here. Yeah. I don't know, man. It could be that. It could be less. It could be more. Janik said, we are at January 1st, 2021. If I had to pick a day in 2021. Jalom Matias said, yep. Crazy reminder to always hold Bitcoin even in alt season just in case. Hoff said, they said Bitcoin's been dead so many times, right? Philly said, JJ, to compare where we are now from 2021, pick 2 top altcoins like ETH and Chainlink. Tyler said, so nothing much, lol. Janik said, oh, how do you do that copy pattern thing? I've been meaning to ask. Okay, so right here, it's going to normally look like this. This little funky little dude. So up here, you see the same similar thing. Fib retracement. This one is the long position, which just looks like this crap. And you can adjust it to like showcase whatever kind of trade you're doing. The little arrow next to it, you go down here and click on bars pattern. And then you just copy where you want. And you can put that wherever you want. That is a lesson from the Fractal Farquaad himself. Self-proclaimed. And then Hoff said, does he refer to Inverse Kramer? Janik said, Hoffs might not be watching live, I suspect. Hoff said, I wasn't. I'm dead, lol. Janix laughed. Tyler said, so what, you're not a financial advisor? Haha. Fahid said, like the stream and subscribe if you're new. Of course. Okay, and then Philly said, compare where we are now from 2021. Pick 2 top altcoins like ETH and Chainlink. I'm going to delete this. Pick 2 top altcoins like ETH and Chainlink. I mean, I'm going to have to say Cardano for sure. Because I'm a Cardano maxi. But besides Cardano, I guess I would go with Avalanche. And that's strictly because of Off the Grid. They clearly have the people around them building the right games and like doing the right things to attract actual gamers to their system. The invisible blockchain is the way to go. And Off the Grid is super fun. I think it's really going to like draw a lot of people towards crypto space because people are going to play that. There's going to be an esports league for it. They're going to be like, wow, this game's amazing. I love it. Holy crap, I had no idea it had anything to do with crypto. Maybe I should look into this crypto thing. And I think that that's going to do a lot for the space as far as gaming goes. Oh. Janix said and Sol. Tyler said XRP ADA or ETH again. All right, guys. We've been going for an hour and a half. This fucking guy, this guy that I'm working for, or that we're like putting together a proposal for, I swear to God, I've told him like 20 times, I need the updated proposal. He hasn't sent it to me yet. And then he's like, what's the deposit schedule? And I'm like, okay, based on the current number that we have, this is the deposit schedule. And then today he's like, that's not the right number. And I'm like, dude, I've been literally telling you, I need the new proposal. It's crazy. Stinky Scrublet said, hit me up on MapleStory. What does that mean? Sometimes you guys say things that make me feel either old or just crazy. I'm on live chat too. All right. We got two more articles. Curve Finance monthly revenues up more than 20%. Sorry, I'm blinding you guys. On DeFi Surge, that was basically the gist of it. I was excited for Hoffs because he's been talking about Curve. And then this one I had to include because I'm a Cardano maxi, guys. Cardano price gains 88% in... Is the ADA rally just getting started? Cardano's record high open interest metric raises concerns about a sharp sell-off, but strong market demands suggest the ADA rally could continue. Cardano surged by 88.8. I like that number. Between November 18th and December 3rd, reaching its highest price in nearly 3 years at $1.33. This rally mirrored broader gains in the altcoin market, which reached a peak of $1.52 trillion on December 3rd, up from 1.16 trillion on November 18th. The 15-day ADA rally was accompanied by an all-time high in leverage positions, using futures contracts, prompting traders to question whether the dip to 116 on December 3rd presents a buying opportunity and to evaluate the potential risk of cascading liquidations. It went to $1.30? Am I crazy? Why don't I remember that? ADA went to $1.30. Holy shit, it did. I guess I don't remember. Anyways, I'm blinding you guys again. My bad. The 15-day ADA rally was accompanied by an all-time high in leverage positions using futures contracts, prompting traders to question whether the dip to 116 on December 3rd presents a buying opportunity and to evaluate the potential risk of cascading liquidations. That's a pretty hefty dip, is it not? Wouldn't the liquidations have cascaded already? 14% dip. Yeah, I don't know, forgive me for being arrogant, but I feel like that would have happened already. Cardano, along with Stellar, Algorand, and IOTA, were among the best performing top 100 cryptocurrencies during the 15-day period ending December 3rd. Some analysts have referred to this moment as the Dino Coins rally. These altcoins have experienced at least 2 prior cycles of boom and bust. What stands out about Cardano, aside from the impressive price gain, is a 37% increase in ADA open interest on derivatives exchanges, surpassing the previous peak from October 2022. The aggregate exposure of leveraged long buyers and short sellers totaled 932.5 million ADA on December 3rd, equivalent to $1.2 billion. So let's do something here, guys. Let me tell you guys a little story. TVL is total value locked. In order to calculate total value locked, for whatever reason, the asset has to be locked. So all 70-something% of Cardano that is staked, because it is liquid staking, it does not count towards the TVL. Therefore, Cardano's TVL, actual locked assets on Cardano, is still in its infancy. $687.5 million, $687.5 million is the TVL on Cardano, which is tiny. So taking that into consideration, it's just a baby right now. Look at that. It just recently started going up. Number go up. Now, if you compare this to, say, literally ETH, because ETH has illiquid staking, 71.591 billion. I don't know. If you take, and this is just me trying to be fair about it, what is 75% of, 75% of 42 billion? $31.5 billion plus $500 million. So 32 billion, which is about half of ETH. I'm just saying. Just saying. If ETH had truly liquid staking, this would be a lot smaller of a number. But they don't. You have to lock your ETH and then use Lido, which basically doubles the supply, which is a little fucked up in my opinion. I'm just saying. Let's see. Philly said, come on, JJ, hook me up with a wrench. Haven't I earned it yet? Come on. I'm not doing it, Philly. I can't. Janix said, LOL, does anyone remember 888 Inner Circle? Philly said, Janix, no, what the heck is that? Janix said, some expensive NFTs that I'm pretty sure never delivered. Let's see. Oh. What? That's funny. It's a membership club. Huh. Okay, so people just get... See, I think that these were the peak of the NFT bubble. The memberships. Because you just take one picture and you're like, this is your membership card. And everybody's like, yeah, I'm going to spend $2,000 on this. And they sell 10,000 of them. Then those people just made what? $20 million. And all they have to do is create like 3 or 4 NFT projects a year, which is really easy, guys, and airdrop them to all these holders. And because there's 10,000 holders, they hype it up, and then other people buy it and they think that they got a good deal. It's a community. The problem is the communities that you should be a part of don't require a paid membership. That's funny. All right. Billy said, what? Janik said, was kind of mysterious like Shloms. You know what's funny? Shloms is nothing. Shloms is who made nothing. Or they're affiliated with who made nothing on Twitter. Janik said, I was kind of hoping somebody did remember so they could refresh my memory. Jalom Matias said, what are your top holdings? Cardano, SNEK, Bitcoin. Philly said, now I feel a little insulted. I'm sorry you feel that way, Philly. Oh, my butt. I gotta get like a cushion for my chair or something. My tailbone like genuinely hurts. And I'm losing my voice. Alright, guys. I'm probably gonna call it a night. Unless somebody popped in last night, like right before I got off, and I felt really bad. I don't remember who it was. But I think they were gonna ask me what to put money into. I feel bad because I was literally like getting off and they were like, wait. And I had already clicked the button to end the stream. And because there's a delay, it was going on for like another minute. But I tried to talk to them in the chat. And now they're not here. I feel bad, man. I feel bad. But I'm probably going to call it a stream. I'm losing my voice. And I've wanted to play video games for like 4 days now, and I haven't had the chance to. So I'm going to try to play video games. So appreciate you guys for joining me. Happy Tuesday. If anything crazy starts to happen with Bitcoin, I will hop back on. Otherwise, thank you for tuning in, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good night.